Hi, I'm Stefan, the BMW DIY Guy. My project today is going to be restoring all of the exterior black plastic on my E53 X5. Now the good thing is these instructions work on any car, because that's one thing that we all have. We all have exterior plastics. Now, what I've noticed is on my 2001 E53 X5 is that all the black plastic, the door guards and the lower bumper sections are starting to gray out a little bit. They show sun fade, and that only makes sense. It's a 19-year-old car, and I love my E53 X5. It's in fantastic condition mechanically and physically. So being able to restore something like this is going to be just that one visual notch up to make it look that much better. But again, these instructions work on any car, so you can use this on no matter what brand or make or model that you have. Now, I reached out to Sky's the Limit Car Care. They're a fantastic company with CarPro and other products on what was the best way to restore my plastics. And so I've got the kit from them, which is the whole 9 yards of what you need. Now, as always, I have linked in the description below everything that you're going to need to be able to do this same project. Also, while you're there, make sure to click the alarm bell and the little subscribe button so you get all the notifications on my upcoming videos, because I always have more projects in the work. So let's get out to the car, let's take a look at what it looks like now, and let's work through the process. All right, so I'm gonna take the top rails off. I think it's gonna make it easier to clean them and stain them back black. And plus they're easy to take off.